The beauty of strength. It's a promise that Kwikset has been delivering on for over 60 years. A promise that combines inspired design with superior security. And it's made Kwikset America's #1 selling lock set. Introducing the Kwikset Smart Series of advanced security products. With unparalleled technology and innovation, these locks deliver a higher level of security and convenience, forever changing the way you look at door hardware. The first of the smart products starts with SmartKey, a revolutionary deadbolt cylinder design that provides superior residential security. SmartKey features Grade 1 heavy-duty deadbolt security and has passed the most rigorous lock-picking test in the industry, the UL 437. It offers our exclusive bump guard feature, making it the first affordably priced deadbolt that protects against lock bumping. Have you ever wondered who has a key to your home? Now, with this Smart Series of advanced